Hey everyone, want to add an AI-powered chatbot to your Wix website? Here's a quick and easy guide to enhance your visitor experience. Log into your Wix account and open the editor for the site where you want to add the chatbot. Go to the app market by clicking the app icon on the left menu. Search for chatbot for a specific AI chatbot tool like TDO, WixChat, or ChatGPT integration. Choose a chatbot app that suits your needs. Click Add to Site and wait for it to integrate with your website. Once added, customize your chatbot by editing its responses, appearance, and placement on your site. This ensures it matches your branding and answers common questions. Save your changes, then preview your website to test the chatbot. Make sure it's interactive and functioning as expected. And that's it. You have successfully added an AI chatbot to your Wix website. Like and subscribe for more web tips. Thanks for watching.